Let's start our lesson. Relax and repeat. Rhythm maximum 4/4 beat. Dum tek tek dum tek dum tek tek dum tek. Sagazzi tek 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 tek. Rik tek 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 dum tek 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 dum tek 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 dum tek tek tek. Darbuka tek 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 dum tek 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 dum tek 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 dum tek tek tek. That's good. And now I need your help. Just clap your hands. Come on. It's time to play. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about straws. It's doom. It's tech. Dum. Tech.